morning, ladies and gentlemen, and a very warm welcome to the Johannesburg Stock Exchange. For those of you that do not know who I am, my name is Patricia, and I'm a Business Development Manager at the JSE. And on behalf of the JSE, Nikki Newton-King, and all our executives, we'd like to extend a very warm welcome to Renergen Limited, who's going to be listing as a SPAC on our AltX board this morning.
Good morning, everyone, and I'm going to ask you very politely, please, if you could come closer, because when Stefano starts beating these drums, this is when it's time for audience participation. So this is our 8th listing year to date. This is our 4th listing on the AltX board. Renergen is listing on the JSE on the AltX board as a SPAC, a special purpose acquisition company. Renergen is a fast-growing company in the alternative energy space, and I think that most of you are aware that it's already raised 74 million rand in anticipation of this listing, and I think that is a very clear indication of the interest and support that the capital markets have for this kind of project. So thank you very much for being here. I am so thrilled. I've been dancing on the ceiling about this listing. I will be talking about it for the rest of the week.
I feel honored and privileged to be here representing Renergen, to be representing my board, and to have been chosen for this honor. Yeah, it really is quite an amazing feat when you consider that we've made a first in 2 counts, not only being the first primary listed SPAC in the country, but also to be the first purely alternative energy play listed on the JSE. And so in that respect, we feel proud to be in this position and essentially leading a way for the rest of the market to open up. And secretly, one of the hopes that we have over here is that by coming out and being the first in such an important industry, we pave a way and we show others that this is a section that the investors want to see. Without power, without energy, without any form of sustainable energy, economic growth is always going to be limited. It really was a pleasure to be involved in a process with this, with the JSE, and I'm hoping that it's certainly not the last time that I'll be here. I'm looking forward to blowing the horn. Most important thank you obviously goes to all of the shareholders. You've placed a lot of faith in me and my board, and we're not going to let you down. Thank you very much.
It's certainly very exciting. So in 2012, the JSE purchased the MIT trading engine. To tell you a little bit more, an actual trading screen, I'd like to call up Martin Koch.
Thanks, Patricia. So what we're going to be looking at today from the Trading and Market Services team, which I'm part of, is the live screen of our equity market. If we take you across the screen from just moving from my side across, REN is going to be your symbol. That's what the market out there will know you as. It's going to be your unique identifier for a long time. Across from that is just the name, Renergen Limited, and your ISIN code, which is your International Security Identification Number. This will be unique across any listing that you do. And 10, 9,
Stefano, congratulations on your listing of Renergen on the AltX board as the first primary SPAC from South Africa. What does this mean for your company?
For us, it's quite an important landmark, because now as a special purpose acquisition company, we've got the capital that we need and we've got the shareholder support to go out there and make acquisitions in the alternative energy space.
Alternative energy. Take me through a little about what the company does and what the opportunities are going forward.
Renergen is an investment holding company, and the intention is for us to actually go out and make acquisitions in alternative energy. We've increased the mandate to alternative energy, which we see as being not only the renewables, but also traditional fossil fuels. However, The caveat there is that if we are going to invest in a project that involves fossil fuels, our investment has to be an introduction of capital which will result in a reduction of carbon footprints in the operation.
Are you focusing on South Africa, the rest of the continent, internationally?
Our investment pipeline at the moment, we've got one asset in South Africa that we're seriously considering. That is a natural gas play. Then beyond that, the rest of the pipeline is predominantly outside of South Africa.
Thank you once again for your time and all the best going forward.
Thank you very much.